Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play No Hesi Assetto Corsa without the Ultimate Edition. You might think you need all the DLC, but that's not true. We'll focus on getting the base game ready with essential tools. First, ensure you have Assetto Corsa installed. Then, we'll set up Content Manager, a fantastic community-made launcher that makes modding incredibly easy. This will be our gateway to the exciting world of No Hesi. Once you have Content Manager, download and install it. It's a free, community-developed tool that vastly improves the Assetto Corsa experience. Next, you'll need the Custom Shaders Patch, or CSB. This mod is absolutely vital for No Hesi, adding advanced graphics, physics, and many other features. Finally, consider installing Sol or Pure for realistic weather and lighting, which greatly enhances immersion on the track. To get the No Hesi experience, you'll need to join their official Discord server. This is where you'll find the necessary car packs and track layouts. Download these files, typically in a compressed format. Content Manager makes installation straightforward. Simply drag and drop the files into its window. After installation, use Content Manager's Drive tab to browse and join No Hesi servers, often indicated by their specific names. If you encounter issues, first ensure all your mods, especially CSB, are updated. Outdated versions can cause crashes or visual glitches. A stable internet connection is crucial for smooth online play, so check your ping. Experiment with your graphics settings in Content Manager to balance visual quality with frame rate. If problems persist, the No Hesi Discord community is an excellent resource for troubleshooting and finding solutions to common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.